Disclaimer, legal notice. This video is for educational and ethical hacking purposes only. All the activities and tools demonstrated in this video are performed in a controlled environment, my own lab, or on networks that I have explicit permission to test. Unauthorized access to computer systems or networks is illegal and unethical. The creator of this channel is not responsible for any misuse of the information provided in this video. Always act legally and ethically. Hello everyone. In today's video, we are diving into the world of social engineering. I'm going to show you how cybersecurity professionals use Gophish to simulate a phishing attack. We'll be creating a clone of an Instagram login page and using a Cloudflare tunnel to make it accessible globally. Remember, this is for educational purposes only to help you understand how these attacks work so you can protect yourself. We're starting right in the heart of the attack, the landing page. In Gophish, the landing page is the face of your operation. I've prepared a custom HTML file that replicates the modern Instagram login interface. When we import this code into Gophish, we have to be very careful. We aren't just copying the look, we are setting up the logic. Look at these two checkboxes: capture submitted data and capture passwords. Without these, the page is just a hollow shell. By enabling them, Gophish will intercept the post request sent by the login button and save the data to our database. Before we can launch the attack, we need an engine to deliver our emails. This is where the sending profile comes in. In Gophish, this is the most technical part. You have to configure an SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, server. Think of the sending profile as the post office. Without it, Gophish is just a page with nowhere to go. Here, we enter the host details. For example, if you are using a local SMTP like Postfix, you'd use localhost 25. If you're using a professional service, you'd enter their specific SMTP host and port. One crucial tip here: many beginners face the 0 email sent error. This usually happens because the SMTP settings are wrong or the provider is blocking the connection. Always make sure to send a test email first. If you receive the test email, it means your engine is ready to fire, and you're one step closer to launching the full campaign. Now, we need to write the message that will convince the target to click. In the email template section, we create a security alert. We make it look like an official notice from Instagram, telling the user that someone from another location just logged into their account. The secret here is using the .url tag. In Gophish, this tag automatically transforms into your phishing link. We hide this link behind a professional-looking button that says Secure Your Account or Review Activity. This creates a sense of urgency, making the victim act quickly without thinking twice about the URL. Now that our trap and email are ready, we need to decide who we are sending this simulation to. This is done in the Users and Groups section. In Gophish, you can add targets one by one, or if you have a large list, you can import them using a CSV file. For each user, we need their first name, last name, and most importantly, their email address. I'll name this group Testing Lab. Organizing your targets into groups is very helpful because it allows you to run different campaigns for different departments or teams. Once our group is saved, we are finally ready to combine all these elements, the landing page, the template, the sending profile, and our target group into one final campaign. Finally, we are ready to launch. We go to the Campaigns tab and click on New Campaign. This is where everything we've built so far comes together. First, we give our campaign a name. I'll call this Instagram Security Audit. Then, we select the email template we wrote and the landing page we designed. For the URL, since we are using localhost, I'll enter the IP address of my Kali machine. This is the link that Gophish will track. Next, we choose our sending profile and the target group we just created. One of the best features of Gophish is the ability to schedule your attack. You can send the emails immediately or set a specific time in the future. Once everything is set, we hit Launch Campaign. Now, the emails are being sent, and we just have to wait for the results to roll in on the dashboard. As you can see, the data is captured instantly. This shows you how dangerous a well-crafted phishing email can be. My advice? Always enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, and never click on links in emails that ask for your password. Stay safe, stay ethical, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.